Unit 5 Fiction, American Literature, Ernest Hemingway. Ernest Miller Hemingway was an American novelist, short story writer, journalist, and sportsman. His economical and understated style, which he termed the iceberg theory, had a strong influence on 20th century fiction, while his adventurous lifestyle and his public image brought him admiration from later generations. He was born on 21st July 1899 and he was died on 2nd July 1961. Ernest Hemingway wrote The Sun Also Rises, 1926, A Farewell to Arms, 1929, The Old Man and the Sea, 1952. How did Ernest Hemingway influence others? Ernest Hemingway, who was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in the year 1954, had a great impact on other writers through his deceptively simple, stripped-down prose, full of unspoken implication, and his tough but vulnerable masculinity, which created a myth that imprisoned the author and haunted the World War II generation. Did Hemingway write an autobiography? Hemingway left behind a substantial amount of manuscript, some of which has been published. A Movable Feast, an entertaining memoir of his years in Paris, duration of the year 1921 to 26, before he was famous, was issued in 1964. Why is Hemingway so popular? Ernest Hemingway was one of the greatest American writers of the 20th century. His most popular work, The Old Man and the Sea, earned him a Pulitzer Prize in 1953, and in 1954 Hemingway won the Nobel Prize for Literature for his powerful style, forming mastery of the arts of narration. How would you describe Ernest Hemingway? Ernest Hemingway was a legend in his own lifetime, in a sense, a legend of his own making. He worked hard, and being a composite of all the manly attributes he gave to his fictional heroes, a hard drinker, big game, hunter, fearless soldier, amateur boxer, and bullfight aficionado. My dear students, this is a short biography of Ernest Hemingway. Hope you understood about him. So we'll see the next author introduction in the next video. Thank you.